Yes, that is right, you have read the title correctly. I am giving away my Audi S5 to one of you guys. And here's why. So you have watched the Audi S5 go from how I got it to how it is now. And pretty much it's had a massive transformation. And this car has got a big story to tell, and it's been like such a good car really, to be honest. We've modified it, we've wrapped it, we've put wheels on it, we've upgraded brakes. I'll go through them in a minute. We've even been inside Ultimate Dubs as well this year, which is probably one of the only shows to go ahead. So thank you, Paul, for letting us come in and enjoy that. The S5 was really the key to this YouTube channel and got a lot of you guys subscribed. I know some of the OGs have subscribed from the very first day, from like the Audi TT days, but this has picked up a huge following, and I'm really enjoying doing YouTube videos at the minute, which is why I bought a new project car, and I really want to level things up and keep you guys entertained. And I feel like filming things on the same car for so long, it could just drain the channel out and just become not very entertaining anymore. But instead of selling the S5 to someone, which is what I'd normally do, I thought, why not give you guys a chance who have been watching it and enjoying it and supporting me and supporting the channel, which I'm so thankful for. And if you're watching this video, make sure you click subscribe. If you already clicked subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. I came up with the idea to raffle my Audi S5 to one of you guys, where tickets will only be £30. So before I tell you guys how you can enter and how you should enter, let me give you guys a quick recap on what's actually been done to the Audi S5. So let's go. It's had Audi RS5 front brake upgrade. It's got fully adjustable BC racing coilovers. It's got fully refurbished by Alloy Fix gloss black 20-inch Le Mans alloys. I think that's what they're called. It's got a full Montpellier blue wrap on it, which I did myself. It's got a full Audi RS5 style body kit on, front and rear bumpers, including the grille as well. It's got a complete back box delete. It's got 15mm wheel spaces on the front and 20mm wheel spaces on the rear to give it that big fat look. And best of all, it's got Audi's 4.2 V8, the dying breed, and what an engine it is. So right, let's just cut to the chase. So I bet all of you are wondering how you can enter and how can you win my Audi S5. So I could have done this completely all myself, but it would have been completely illegal because you need to have a gambling license and everything needs to be 100% legit, which is why I've teamed up with X-clusive competitions. There's going to be 350 tickets available only. Now I've seen a few other YouTubers do this sort of competition before, and as soon as they sell the tickets, they just change the goalposts again. Well, I can 100% assure you that this is just not going to happen, and that is actually completely illegal. There's only going to be 350 tickets available. X-clusive comps have told me that that is it. There's literally no more. If I'm honest, I would have had a lot less tickets than that. Because I'm doing it through X-clusive competitions and they're fully registered and everything like that, it does obviously cost money, so they have to take their cut in it. So I hope you guys understand that I'm trying to be completely as fair as possible with this. Now the opening window to buy your ticket will only last for 7 days, although legally we can extend it for 28 days longer if the tickets don't sell. But we expect the tickets to go fairly quick. Now if the tickets do sell out within the first couple of days or so, we'll be looking at doing the prize draw sooner as well, so you guys don't have to wait so long to reveal the winner of the Audi S5. Now the prize draw is going to be linked between me and X-clusive competitions live on Instagram. Now don't worry if you've not got Instagram, because I will post the winner up on my YouTube, my Facebook and my Instagram as well, and the same with X-clusive competitions, and of course we'll be in touch with you. And Will from X-clusive Comps will draw the prize from a random Google number generator on Google, so it's completely fair, and if you buy the first ticket or the last ticket, you've got a completely even chance of winning it regardless. For any of you guys who are in a different country or abroad, it's completely up to you guys to arrange collection or delivery of the car. That goes for all the guys in the UK as well. Obviously I'm based in Leicester, so if you did want to collect, you can collect it from Leicester, or we can be in contact with you to arrange delivery as well. So if you get that far, then you've won an Audi S5 for £30, so there's nothing really to complain about. So I'm hoping to give one of you guys the chance who possibly would have never even looked at an Audi S5 before to win it for just £30. So guys, how do you buy a ticket? So what you need to do right now is click the link in the description box below, which will take you directly to X-clusive Competitions website. From there you can enter in all your details and buy a £30 ticket for the Audi S5, which will give you one entry into the raffle. You'll get a confirmation email with your ticket number. Keep this to hand. If you do lose it, don't worry too much, because if you do win, then we'll be in contact with you. Now I'm so excited to do this competition. I've never done something like this before. I'll be so stoked to see the Audi S5 go to one of you guys who have watched the channel from the very first start of this build. So good luck to every single one of you that enter in the competition, and remember, if you do win, you can truly say that you bought the cheapest Audi S5 in the UK. Good luck guys, see you soon.